Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, I do the USD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly on Sunday, I told you Sunday, which was yesterday only. So yesterday, I told you when we had this candle, I told you that we have a rejection, then engulfing weekly candle. So this coming week, starting from today, was supposed to go up. So the market opened with a gap. Okay, so exactly what I said, that this is engulfing rejection. So we had to go up, and also the EMA slope is towards the upside. So it is the uptrend in weekly. And then you can see we opened with the gap, and today was Monday. So there was not much in the market. This was the first day of the week, very quiet. So not many pips, but still we are trying to go up in AUDUSD. You can use the same analysis for nzdusd as well, as I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. Now, am I looking for longs? Well, to be honest, I'm not looking for USD trades anyway. Okay, so I'm not looking for these USD pairs because I trade these non-USD pairs these days, especially because dollar is a fake currency. Fake as in it's a fake economy right now. Okay, so dollar going up, it's a fake thing. America is in recession and it's like a bubble. Uh, the government is telling you something else, and on the ground, the reality is something else. Okay, so people are not able to live properly. Costly things and everything. You know that, right? Anyway, so that's not my concern, right? So the analysis says that dollar is gonna go up, but I don't personally trade dollar pairs because they are slow movers for me now. Because you have to wait for the US market to open to reach take profit if you are into these dollar pair trades. Okay, whereas if you trade these pairs, you can take you can reach TP in the London session, or in the Japanese session, or Sydney session as well. Okay, it depends. But coming back to 4 hour, here we got the bull signal here, which means yes, we are in the uptrend. So we have 3 time frames above the EMA, 4 hour above the EMA, daily above the EMA. Hopefully by the end of today it will close above, and weekly we are above. So look for longs. The only thing is, I think IUD has the potential to go another 50 pips up. Okay, so we're still gonna go another 50 pips up for this high. Okay, so your target is this high in 4 hour. Now, I don't know if that will happen after the rejection, or that will happen straight away. Okay, so take your call long, but your profit will be here. And either we might take a pullback or we might straight away go up. I don't know. Okay. It depends, right? So the long is the only way to go. Otherwise, just don't trade just don't trade USD pairs. And I have too many pairs. So join my free Telegram and you will see there. I will send you screenshots of my non USD pairs which I trade. Okay, so I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care and subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next videos.